Alrighty, guys, it's looking pretty green out there today. It's currently around, what time is it? 12:45 p.m. on the East Coast, and we have the Russell up 1.2%. The Nasdaq's also, funny enough, up 1.2%, and we have the S&P 500 up 0.9, as the Dow's up 0.6, and the VIX is down over 12%. And the stock we're going to focus on in this video, which is Sofi stock, you guys saw the title, is up another 3%, breaking out of the highs from yesterday after pulling back in the pre-market. So yeah, we have a lot to break down in this video. If y'all find value, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 16 stocks for Moomoo, each up to $2,000. Just use that link down below, or simply go to stassurfs.com/Moomoo. Once you open up an account, you get one free share of stock, and once you fund your account with at least $100, you get 5 more stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000, guys, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link down below. And now, cheers, let's dive into it. So again, Sofi stock is up over 3% right now, up 22 cents, and this move today goes to show the strength in the bulls right now and how clearly momentum has shifted over the past couple of days. I mean, look, this morning, guys, we were down in the pre-market. I'm not sure if you caught it, but at one point, Sofi was down, I think, 5-6%, maybe more than that. Actually, no, yeah, more than that. 8% in the red is what it was at one point. I think we closed at $6.95 roughly yesterday, and in the pre-market, we got down to $6.40, and now we're pushing. We hit $7.26 earlier. Now we're at about $7.16. Again, we took out the highs from yesterday. Very good sign. So just when you thought we were going to start pulling back, we were going to see some selling, see some red, we ended up ripping at market open, and we've been uptrending for the rest of the day, or at least up until now, after we pulled back in the pre-market. Very good sign for the bulls, guys. Very good. And if we pull up the 5-day, 5-minute time frame here, guys, you can see even better. We had that pullback in the morning, boom, down to about 640, which, mind you, that was actually the high from the pre-market yesterday. If I zoom in a little bit, boom, you guys can see right here, we hit about 640, 645 in the pre-market yesterday. So we held that today, this morning, as support, and we rocketed off it. And again, we took out the highs from yesterday, which is great. And now we're at a multi-day high. And just since about a week ago, guys, we're up around $2.25 per share, up over 40% on Sofi stock, which is just poof, mind-blowing, guys, unfreaking believable. And here on the 20-day chart, you guys are going to be able to tell we're uptrending. We actually held that 50 SMA with the pullback this morning. Very good sign for the bulls. And on the 4-hour time frame, you guys can see, we're now taking out the highs from the end of April, which is really big. We closed right under those highs yesterday, but now with the move, now that we're pushing into the $7 per share range, we're taking out that high, which is great. And now that I'm looking at it, we're above the highs from, when was this? The beginning of March as well, being about $6.97. So we're now at a multi-month high. The last time we hit $7.26 on Sofi, guys, was actually back in the middle of February, which is where we're struggling right now. Let me extend this to the right a little bit, or let me draw a new trend line. You guys can see, boom, right here in the middle of February, we hit around 725, 730, and we sold off from there. Now we're starting to break the channel, and here we are again testing that point, right around 730, which if that breaks, guys, 825 could be next, which was the high. You can see here from probably the beginning of February. And if that were to break, now we're talking, it's a decent chance we could start moving to $10. And by the way, guys, I'm not going to say for sure we're going to go to $10, or it's definitely going here, or definitely doing this or that. Nobody knows exactly what's going to happen, but these are just some thoughts that I have right now, especially with how, the trend is reversing, student loans, everything going on there on a fundamental basis. That's great here for Sofi. We talked about that more in my video from yesterday on Sofi, so go check that out if you guys have not done so already. So let me set my alert now at $7.35. I'll put one there right now. I'll put another one at $8.25, which again, that's roughly by the high from the beginning of February, right? Yep. So if we break out of there, that's where we could start going, maybe to, $10, maybe even higher. And you guys can see here, we hit in the beginning of August of this past year, $8.52. So on the yearly chart, we're now getting towards the yearly highs, which is a good sign overall for the bulls. And on the 3-year chart, you guys are going to see we're still well away from the highs from back in, 2020, 2021, where we pretty much triple topped in the mid-20s, 25, 28 bucks. And is that the all-time high, $28? Probably, right? Yeah, 28 bucks is the all-time high on Sofi, and who knows when we'll get back there. I mean, that's a ways to go from now. But again, if we start taking out 730, baby steps, guys, we break 730, 825. Now we're probably going 10 plus, at least in my opinion, or at least a 10. We'll see, guys. We'll see how it ends up playing out. But overall, SoFi, man, the bulls came to play, and they're still here, guys, and they're still, dominating the stock, at least in the very short term. And, of course, to play devil's advocate, yes, it is a little bit overbought, so keep that in mind. Maybe we don't go, and mind you, we probably won't go to $10 in a straight line. So keep in mind, we'll probably see a little bit of a pullback, whether it's today, maybe tomorrow, next week. I don't know, guys. But don't be surprised if we consolidate a little bit around $750 before making that move to $8+. That's my thought. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments. And again, like I said in the intro, the markets today are freaking crushing it. We have the Russell, the NASDAQ. Those are each up over 1%. We have the Dow up 0.7%. The S&P's up around 0.91%. So let me show you guys quickly here what SPY's looking like right now. It looks like we are holding above 420 right now, which is a great sign. You guys can see a couple days ago we hit roughly 423. That was 2 days ago. That was on what? Tuesday. Yeah, that was on Tuesday. So we broke above 420 today. Now we're probably going to go test that 423 mark, whether it's later today, tomorrow, next week. So I'm going to set my alert here at 423 bucks on SPY. Mark is at or above, and we'll see where it goes from there. If that does break, guys, we could be going probably 430, maybe even higher. That was the high from back in August. You guys probably remember that. And Triple Q is actually well above the highs from August. If you guys take a look on the yearly chart, Triple Q is above the high from August, which I think was at 330, 335, 330 roughly. We hit 350 a couple days ago. Now we're still above 350 as the ETF is up over 1%. And clearly, guys, look at that. Does that not look like the uptrend is continuing? I mean, it does to me. I mean, look, we hit 354 2 days ago, pulled back a little bit, cooled off about $8, $10. All right, nothing crazy. And now the bulls are back in town, and we're breaking out of the 50 SMA. And to me, guys, this looks like it wants to go test the highs from a couple of days ago. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments, and you might as well hit that like button while you're at it. Subscribe, do all that good stuff. Don't forget to get up to 16 stocks for Moomoo, each up to $2,000. Just use that link down below, guys. Open up an account. You get 1 free share of stock right off the bat. Fund your account with at least $100. You get 5 more stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. And while you're at it, guys, you might as well get 12 more stocks from Webull with any amount deposited. And by the way, guys, the clock is ticking, so get down below, get those stocks, check out the Patreon as well if you're interested. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.